Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Aditya's Creation, and today's video is an unboxing video that a gift that came from my sister for Raksha Bandhan, that I'm going to unbox it and showing you a gift idea that is totally reliable and inexpensive, you can say. So the first thing is that many people ask me that do I schedule my videos, like what will I upload in this week and this week and this week. So my answer is no. I just take up my tripod and my phone camera and just start thinking on Monday that what should I upload tomorrow. So yeah, I was just writing down some ideas on paper, and I thought that the gift that came from my sister, I could totally unbox it and show it to you. And there's also a cute mug that I wanted to show you that has came from uh, Jalandhar, Punjab. Okay, so yeah, that's all I have to tell you in this video. So yeah, let's go. So from the next month, all the festivals are starting, like Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami, Independence Day, and after that, you know, all that Ganesh Chaturthi and Navratri and all. And on this 30th July, there is Friendship Day also. So yeah, as I told you previously, the gifts have came, and let me just open it. So this was a mug that came from Flipkart that has been gifted by my sister. She's my cousin sister, and yeah, so this mug is of Parhaku, and there's a photo of a boy studying books on the here also and here also, like it is on the both sides and loaded with books and all, and in the bottom it is written Parhaku with white letters on green background. And this mug totally matches with my personality, as she knows me very well. So yeah, in this mug there all the things are like gathering up. I have never opened it. I thought that I will show you all, and it came from a Flipkart box. So yeah, so this is one little card from Flipkart. It's like a card only, I think so. Yeah. Thank you for making us a part of your eternal bond. Happy Raksha Bandhan from Flipkart Smart Buy. Then she has gifted me a mask. She is very clever. Actually, it is like the most important thing of nowadays, and it is of a Batman mask. You can see. Yeah, it totally fits me. And Batman is my favorite DC superhero. I think she knows me very well. Yeah. So yeah, this is a mask. Then after that, there is a Rakhi. Wow, it's beautiful. It's just made of beads, I think so. Yeah, red beads and golden beads, white beads, and all are gathered up. So it's good. After that, there is a little bit of rice and of course chandan, that is most important. So this was the gift that came by Flipkart in these corona times, and I want to thank to her that she has sent it me in these difficult times. Thank you. After that, this box came from a courier from Jalandhar, Punjab, and I have not unwrapped it because I wanted to show you. So it has been covered in a purple wrapper, as you can see, and it is a pentagon box. So yeah, I forgot to tell you one thing, that this mug has came from Flipkart. It doesn't mean that Flipkart is sponsoring me. Okay, like most of the people have misconception that I am showing a mug that it has came from a specified brand, so that has promoted me. No, there is no promotion, and yeah, it's a simple thing that I wanted to say. And now after a lot of scrapping and scratching, finally I have unboxed it, and let me see inside the material. So it is a actually Nadia box. Yeah, so let me open it first of all. Oh my god, it is filled with lots of stuff that it's very messy, I think so. Yeah, so first of all, in the cover there is a card. Okay, so yeah, this is the drawing she has made. Actually, she is a little bit I would say toddler. Yeah, but yeah, she has drawn very nice, off with my expectations. And then the front page she has written Happy Raksha Bandhan, and the middle there's a drawing that I can't show you. Yeah, that's totally personal. It's just a drawing of my mother and mine and my sisters and her mother. Yeah, so there are lots of Rakhis that I expected that she would send me so much. So the first one is of a center bead one, and there's a string also, and it is converted into the red and black pattern. The second Rakhi is of green and golden glitters one. The third Rakhi is of I think floral design. Yeah, there is a peacock in the middle with multicolored beads. And the last one is, I think, Om. Yeah, in the middle it is written Om, and there are two small, I would say, heart parts. Yeah, like there's a heart, and when you broke it between, there are two curves, and yeah, and there are many beads also inside it. And after that, she has sended me some roli chandan chawal tika, that is normal. Yeah, and okay, so she has sent me this Chota Bheem Rakhi. I don't know why, but yeah, she has sent it me, so it's really praiseworthy. And all these chocolates that I love, oh my gosh, she totally knows me that I'm a big fan of this chewing gum that I can't tell you, because then YouTube will tell me that you're promoting the things. As you can see also by the blue wrapper, and it's a very famous chewing gum. So these were two gifts that I wanted to show you, and I'm really happy, and I want to thank them that in these difficult times they are sending me gifts with lots of love. So yeah, I really appreciated that. So yes, this is all I have to show in this video. You also, on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan, you should give something to your sisters, and that is really good, because of course India is a country of festivals. So this was only I had to show you all. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also this mug link will be in my description box if you want to buy it. It's good, yeah, that you can give it if it is for all the sisters who want to give their brothers. Yeah, so yeah, that is all. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel, because I upload different kinds of videos. I upload vlogs, art, cooking, things to do, DIY, and all the normal life related videos. Yeah, full of creativity every Tuesday. And also share it with your friends and family members. And in the last, I have to say Happy Raksha Bandhan. Bye.